Hello, I chose the Endubar company because it pollution the only river. The Bay City, which serves as sustenance for the downstream communities as a source of supply for the irrigation of crops. Also because it is causing the death of animals that consume from the water source. In addition, because the zero citizen has come undone several years ago and they do not take action of the matter. This company contributes to global pollution since it discards to the Cesar River water effluent of its concentration of organic loot. The physicochemical parameters source and develop and the quote do not comply with what is established in Colombia regulations. To the impoilance los that the company throws into the river, it is causing contamination and soil erosion, sedimentation of water bodies, reduction of natural areas, contamination of water for human consumption, and air pollution. The lawsuit filed against the company was for environmental contamination. The means of which was asked to take action of the matter and to reduce the pollution load that is attacking this body of water in terms of the concentration of organic water as coliform fecal. As a possible solution to the problem, it is proposed to care of phytoremediation to the water of the Cesar River in addition to the adaptation of the plants. Corrective maintenance and implement complementary technologies in order to increase the efficiency of systems, such as the use of biotechnologies with bacteria that alone, the mitigation of the scores, so that it can carry out the pollution removal process in a more efficient and effective way. Thank you very much for your attention.